Guys, si Huawei aggressive maglabas ng mga smart fitness band lately. So, nakita na natin na review na si Huawei Smart Band 7, si Huawei GT3, GT3 Pro, and this time around, it's another one. It's a Huawei Watch Fit 2. And these are the basic specs. And I think na may kamukha siya. Sabi ko sa'yo na in a little later. But first, unbox muna tayo. So hi guys, ako si Richman, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So this Huawei Watch Fit 2 has a 1.74-inch na full view display, Bluetooth calling, and healthy living na function. And this is how it looks like. And sa gilid ng box, it's pretty clean as usual. These are some of the functions na gusto natin malaman: Bluetooth calling, durable battery life, quick workout animation, automatic SpO2, which is blood oxygen level, pwede siya mag-music playback, scientific sleep monitoring, 97 workout modes, and of course, pwede mo i-sync to sa iOS, sa Android na iyong devices. And feel free to download sa iyong Google Play Store and of course sa Apple App Store, or even si Huawei na App Gallery. So, this is the watch, and it's being priced at $5,999 right now. So, nasa gitna siya, no? Nasa gitna siya ng Band 7 and sa GT3. And of course, ang kanyang parang ang target niya is for somebody who likes yung liit ng Band 7, but meron siyang yung mga functions ni GT3. I think this watch is the perfect watch for you. So, ipapop out na natin ito. Then, tingnan natin. Quickly. Yan. So, meron siyang strap like any other watch out there. And gusto niyo malaman kung sino kamukha niya. Feel ko it's a little bit elongated na Apple iWatch. Tingin niyo guys, same na same mo. Ganda ng premium design niya. And pati yung strap color niya, no? Hindi nagkakareho sa Watch 7. Grabe. So, you get a premium watch like this at just siguro mga 20 to 30% lang ng presyo ng Apple iWatch. I mean, pwede na, di ba? And yung function niya definitely is good. Alam naman natin kung ano yung Huawei. It should be something good. So, this is yung kanyang magnetic na charging cable. So, same lang siya sa Band 7. All you need to do is just clip it like this. Baliktad ang polarity. Okay? So, shake natin. Okay? Like what I always do sa mga smart bands. Okay naman siya. Hindi siya nalalaglag. So, meaning makapit naman ang kanyang magnet. On the other side, we have some manuals and user guide. Ito, warranty card. So, let's put everything aside. Now, tanggalin muna natin to. Then, of course, boot up muna natin. So, this is how it looks like pag boot up Huawei. Then, makikita mo, it's being powered by the Harmony OS as well. At so by far, this is the default na watch face. And it looks nice. And kung gusto nyo palit-palit ng color, click mo lang siya. Yan, babago siya ng color. But of course, gusto natin yung rainbow color. And andito lahat ng kailangan mo malaman. One thing na napansin ko sa watch na ito is very bright ang kanyang color. Unlike the Band 7, this one, I think it's a lot better ang kanyang display. Dahil meron siya 1.74-inch. I think this is a AMOLED display, full view display. Ang ganda ng kanyang color reproduction dito sa screen na ito. I love it. It's very punchy. And what I like dito sa watch face na ito is nandito na lahat ng kailangan kong makita. Pedometer, aking mga heart rate, ilang kilometers na nalakad ko, and of course, ilang calories na na-burn ko. And of course, ang ganda ng kanyang color. So, pasyalin ko lang kayo dito sa watch na ito, swiping to the left, makita mo ang aking heart rate, ang aking blood oxygen, ang weather report, of course, ang records, calls, and aking activity record, which is na-hit ko na ang 10,000 steps for today. Plus, nag-exercise din tayo, and hindi naman tayo panay upo sa upuan, so may 14 times tayo tumayo sa aking upuan. And of course, sleep, which is not really that nice score, I think. So, one thing na gusto ko dito is isang press lang, babalik siya sa home screen. Pag swiping to this side, kita natin, you can control your music player and of course, a quick widget ng weather. Pulling it down, kita natin ang settings, and of course, ang other function na gusto natin makita. One of my favorite is of course the alarm. So after 2 days of usage nitong watch na ito, I still have 88%. With everything turned on, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo shortly kung anong mga settings na turn on natin. But of course, tapusin muna natin watch tour. So swiping up notification. And pag-click natin na itong wheel na ito, is almost the same kay GT3. Like I said, you get the goodness of GT3 inside a Huawei Band 7 size na a little bit bigger, which for me, panalo, no? 5,999, and kind of presyo for me, sulit. If you want yung goodness talaga ng GT3, I guess this one is probably the one that you should buy. So, kita natin ito ang workouts. So, these are all the workouts. Meron siya 97 workouts that you can always use. Okay, so there are some course and plans. So, there are some training plans na pwede mo tingnan. Okay. So, sinabi niya meron siya mga animation. So, I guess ito yung pinapakita niya, no? Yung warm up. Okay. Yan. Astig, do. I mean, nakakaaliw lang. Ano tingin niyo, guys? Pwede, di ba? Ganda. May animation pa siya. Which is kind of cute. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayos. Mga stretching yung pinapakita niya na ano, no? Which is kind of nice. And these are all the others na makita mo, like, of course, blood oxygen level. Itong stress monitoring. This is my stress record for the whole day. And you can also do some breathing practices. These are other functions na meron dito sa watch na ito. And one of the things that I noticed dito is matagal kanyang battery life. And I love a watch that has great battery life. And of course, there are a lot of watch face na pwede mo pagpilian. And one of my favorites dito is yung ginagamit ko rin sa aking GT3, which is this one. Lahat kita mo na dito. I mean, wala na eh. I mean, ito na pinaka-kompleto na watch face na meron ko na free. And you can choose over a lot of watch face na makita mo, no? Sa, of course, i-check natin sa Huawei Health app in a little while. So, one of the important thing na meron dito is Bluetooth calling function. It's the same as my GT3. So, I'll give my watch a quick ring. So, kita natin, nag-ring. You can pick it up here. Ayos, di ba? This is the same function na meron ni GT3 and GT3 Pro. So, it has the same function sa GT3 na pwede kayo dito magsalita. Let's say, nasa shower room kayo, pwede mo sagot ng phone. You just simply need to answer here. If you want to mute, pwede dito. If you want to turn up the volume ng loudspeaker, pwede rin dito. Ayos, di ba? To end the call, drop it. Another thing na gustong-gusto ko dito sa kanya is ang dami niyang watch strap na pwede mo pagpilian. Just check it out sa official page of Huawei, sa huawei.com/ph. Ang dami! I mean, these are the default one. Sakura Pink, Iso Blue, and of course, Midnight Black. And meron pa siyang classic edition na Moon White and Nebula Gray. Pag-detach niya, it's very easy. Even easier than sa GT series, no? Pindot mo lang. Ganun lang, kasimple. And if you want to attach it back, snap. Ganun kadali lang. I mean, sobrang dali. Pindot lang, then snap. Ganun lang. And so, now, punta na natin yung Huawei Health app natin. So, makikita natin here is, of course, aking pedometer and, of course, ilan minutes ako na exercise throughout the day. Ilang mga exercise record natin na healthy living din natin. At the same time, heart rate monitoring. And, of course, weight monitoring. Sleep monitoring. Stress monitoring. And nandito rin ang aking blood oxygen monitoring and skin temperature. This one is not available dito sa, sa watch na ito. This one is available sa GT3 Pro. So, you can see some activities over sa community na nandito na nakapost. So, this is by devices na naka-sync. So, disconnect ko muna si GT3 in place of the Watch Fit 2. Can check a lot of watch face over here. Now, guys, what can I say about this one? The Huawei Watch Fit 2. I can say na okay siya. I love the design. Very light siya. Ang casual niyang suotin. Very nice. And pagpalit ng watch face is really easy. And it has the function ng GT3 inside a Band 7. And the price is not that expensive. It's very affordable. $5,999. It's just really kayang-kayang pag-ipunan. And if you're somebody who's into fitness, I think this watch is simply just perfect for you. And lalo na, this watch is kind of similar to the Apple iWatch Series 7. So, yeah, making it looks a lot better, more premium than ever before. Kung gusto na malaman, guys, kung saan pwede mabili ito, watch na ito, I'll be posting it everything on the link below. Just check it out. And of course, if you like to watch more of videos like this one, other smartwatches, just check my playlist. And of course, inaano niya ako kayo mag-like, subscribe, of course. Click na rin yung bell icon para hindi naman sa mga future videos here sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?